In today's video, I am going to teach you how to test a one-time payment link in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already signed in to your Stripe dashboard and working in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account because you want to test the payment link in the right workspace. This ensures the payment is processed as a test transaction and not as a live charge. After that, go to the left-hand navigation menu and open Payment Links. Find the one-time payment link you want to test. Then click on it to open the details page. Take a moment to review the settings and make sure the link is configured for a one-time payment. When you are ready, click Open Payment Page. This will launch the Stripe-hosted checkout page for that payment link. On the checkout page, review the product information carefully. Check that the amount and currency are correct before moving on. Now enter the required customer details and any billing information requested by the checkout form. In the card number field, use Stripe's standard successful test Visa number 4242, 4242, 4242. Then enter any valid future expiration date and any valid 3-digit CVC. If the page asks for other required details such as a zip or postal code, complete those fields as well. Once everything is filled in, click Pay to submit the test one-time payment. Wait a moment while Stripe processes the transaction. When the payment goes through, you should see a confirmation on the checkout page. Next, return to your Stripe dashboard and make sure you are still in the same sandbox environment. From there, go to Transactions, then Open Payments. Find the test payment you just submitted and click on it to open the payment record. On the Payment Details page, review the transaction information to confirm everything was processed correctly. Check the payment status, the amount, the currency, and any other relevant details shown in the record. This final review confirms that your one-time payment link is working as expected in test mode. Your Stripe one-time payment link has now been successfully tested and verified in the dashboard. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.